Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to uncover some incredible hidden treasures in the world of coins as we explore the top 2 most valuable United States Washington $quarter coins, along with other rare varieties that have captured the attention of collectors worldwide. While most quarters are used in everyday transactions, a few rare examples with special mint marks, minting errors, and exceptional condition have sold for thousands and even tens of thousands of dollars at auction. If you've ever wondered whether your pocket change could be worth a fortune, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First up, the 1983 Washington $quarter coin with a PE mint mark, a piece that may look like ordinary pocket change but holds a surprising place in the world of rare coin collecting. Found in circulated condition, this quarter has traveled through countless transactions, yet collectors know that certain examples from this year can carry significant value. Featuring the iconic image of George Washington, this coin could be much more than just 25 cents. It could be a hidden the 1983 Washington treasure. Washington quarter was minted during a unique period in U.S. coinage history by the United States Mint. Coins bearing the PE mint mark were produced at the Philadelphia Mint, which had only recently begun placing mint marks on quarters again after earlier decades without them. What makes 1983 especially notable is that the Mint did not produce official uncirculated mint sets for collectors that year, meaning far fewer high-quality coins were preserved. As a result, most 1983 P quarters entered circulation directly, making well-preserved examples significantly harder to find today. The obverse of the 1983 P quarter features a left-facing portrait of George Washington, along with the inscriptions, "In God We Trust, Liberty," and the date, 1983, with the P mint mark visible near the date. The reverse showcases a heraldic eagle with outstretched wings, clutching arrows and an olive branch, symbolizing strength and peace. In circulated condition, these coins often show wear such as smoothing of Washington's hair details, light scratches, and dulling of the coin's original luster. Despite this wear, key design elements remain visible. Some coins may also exhibit minor mint errors like die cracks, off-center strikes, or doubling, which can make them stand out to collectors even in circulated grades. While millions of 1983 P quarters were produced, their rarity lies in condition rather than mintage. Because so many coins were released directly into circulation and not saved in mint sets, high-grade examples are surprisingly scarce. Even circulated coins have gained attention because they represent a year that is difficult to find in better condition. Collectors often seek out 1983 P quarters to complete their sets, especially when searching for coins with strong detail or possible errors. This unique combination of high circulation and low preservation has created steady demand in the collector market. In typical circulated condition, a 1983 P Washington quarter is usually worth close to its face value, often ranging from 25 cents to a few dollars depending on its condition and appearance. However, coins that show better than average detail or fewer signs of wear can command higher prices. The real value potential appears in higher grade examples or coins with mint errors, which can sell for $518,000 or even several $100s. In rare cases, exceptionally well-preserved coins from this year have reached auction prices in the thousands, making them highly desirable among serious collectors. If you come across a 1983 P quarter, don't overlook it. Take time to examine the coin carefully under good lighting, paying attention to details like Washington's hair and the eagle's feathers. Avoid cleaning the coin, as this can reduce its value significantly. Store it in a protective holder to prevent further wear and environmental damage. Using a magnifying glass can help you spot potential errors or unique features. If you believe your coin is in above-average condition or has unusual characteristics, consider having it evaluated by a professional grading service. Even small details can make a big difference in value. The 1983 Washington quarter with a PE mint mark proves that even modern coins can hold unexpected value. While circulated examples may seem ordinary, their historical context and scarcity in higher grades make them an important part of any collection. For collectors and enthusiasts, this coin is a reminder that valuable finds can still be hiding in everyday change. Next up, the 1989 Washington $quarter coin with a DE mint mark, a piece that might seem like ordinary pocket change but can hold surprising potential for collectors. Found in fine condition, this coin sits in an interesting middle ground, showing some wear from circulation while still preserving important details. Featuring the classic image of George Washington, this quarter could be more than just 25 cents. It might be a small but valuable piece of history. The 1989 Washington quarter was produced by the United States Mint during a period of consistent coin production in the late 20th century. The D mint mark indicates that this coin was struck at the Denver Mint, one of the primary minting facilities in the United States. By 1989, the Washington quarter design had already been in circulation for decades, first introduced in 1932 to honor George Washington's 200th birthday. These quarters were made from a copper-nickel clad composition, replacing the earlier silver coins used before 1965. While millions were minted, not all coins were preserved equally, which is where collector interest begins to grow. The obverse of the 1989 D quarter features a left-facing portrait of George Washington, along with the inscriptions, "Liberty, in God we trust," and the date, 1989, with the D mint mark located near the date. The reverse showcases the iconic eagle design, with wings spread wide, holding arrows and an olive branch, representing strength and peace. In fine condition, the coin displays moderate wear, with visible details still present but slightly softened, especially in Washington's hair and the eagle's feathers. Despite this wear, the coin remains attractive and collectible. Some examples may also show minor mint errors such as die cracks, doubling, or off-center strikes, which can significantly increase their interest and value. The 1989 D quarter is not considered rare in terms of mintage. Rarity in coin collecting often depends on condition and unique features rather than just numbers. Coins in fine condition are popular among collectors because they are affordable while still retaining enough detail to be visually appealing. Demand increases when collectors search for coins with fewer marks, better detail, or unusual characteristics. Additionally, era coins from this year can attract strong interest, as collectors are always on the lookout for unique variations that stand out from standard issues. In general, a 1989 D Washington quarter in fine condition is worth slightly above its face value, typically ranging from 25 cents to a few dollars depending on its overall appearance. Coins with stronger details or better eye appeal may command higher prices in the collector market. The real value potential lies in coins with mint errors or exceptional preservation, which can sell for $191,000 or even more. In rare cases, high-grade examples or coins with significant errors have reached values in the hundreds of dollars at auction. While most coins from this year remain modest in value, the possibility of finding a standout piece keeps collectors engaged. If you find a 1989 D quarter in fine condition, take the time to examine it carefully. Use good lighting and magnification to check for unusual features such as doubling, die cracks, or other minting anomalies. Avoid cleaning the coin, as this can reduce its value significantly. Store it in a protective holder to prevent further wear and environmental damage. Comparing your coin with known examples can also help you identify any unique characteristics. If you believe your coin may have special value, consider having it evaluated by a professional grading service for a more accurate assessment. The 1989 Washington quarter with a D mint mark shows that even modern coins can carry hidden potential. While a coin in fine condition may appear common at first glance, its details, condition, and possible variations can make it appealing to collectors. This coin serves as a reminder that valuable discoveries can still be made in everyday change. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rare coin discoveries and valuable insights. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update, and keep checking your coins. You never know when you might find a hidden treasure worth big money.